Hi, and welcome to another video by Cluster Repairs UK. Today I'll be presenting the repair service on the 2013 to 2016 Toyota Rav4 onboard computer Sat Nav display. These units suffer from quite a few common faults. Common faults such as the displays have been cracked or are damaged. The display screen comes on but is all black and white. Half the display screen has disappeared. Display screen is heavily marked or scratched. The touchscreen is erratic or intermittent, or the touchscreen no longer works. Here on test, you can see a unit with a touchscreen that is completely inoperative. Here at Cluster Repairs UK, we have been repairing automotive displays since 1986. We only use genuine OEM parts and high-quality A-grade components backed by a lifetime warranty. Now let's go ahead and test this unit after repair. As you can see, the unit is working like new, fast, responsive and crystal clear. If your unit is faulty and you'd like it repaired, you can either opt for a mail order service online, give us a call for a walk-in appointment, or we can link you up with one of our partner repairers around the country. Cluster Repairs UK prides itself with award-winning customer service. If you need more information, please feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. You can also find more information below in the video description. Thank you for watching and happy repairing.